Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add core to Metamask wallet. So tap on this button right here, you hit on browser and then right here you paste the link to the site, right? So you can just copy this link. So you search allow you to open. When it opens, it looks like this. Scroll to the tail and dice to the last side of the website and click on add call network. So when you tap on it, you allow this site to add a network. So click on approve and right now it has been added. New network added. Call is now available in the network selector. Click on switch, it's going to take you right back into the network. So right here you can see success, we were on Ethereum network. You come back down here to wallet and this is it, this is the call in your wallet. So that's how you can add core to your Metamask wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.